Today we are making something more than delicious. I assure you that once you give this recipe a try, be ready to try it over and over again. Hello, creative bangers. Welcome back to another interesting video, so let's begin. You want to start by adding instant yeast in a bowl, sugar and warm milk. You can substitute the warm milk with warm water. Mix to combine very well. Once that is done, I added vanilla essence. You can use any flavor of your choice. Mix again, then move in with the flour. Always sift the flour before making use of it, alright? Once that is done, I'm going to add some salt to taste. Move in with a spatula, start mixing till everything comes together. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. Alright, now I'm going to transfer the dough to the work surface. Add either butter or margarine depending on the one that you have. Continue mixing and kneading till you form a smooth popping dough, just like this one. I'm loving it. Now I'm going to transfer the dough back into the mixing bowl, cover and keep anywhere warm around my home to proof. While the dough is proofing, let's mix the filling. In an empty bowl, moving with chopped tomatoes, chopped onion, boiled eggs. You can use any protein of your choice. Now I'm moving with chopped cucumbers. I added mayonnaise, chili pepper and some salt to taste. Remember, mayonnaise contains salt, so be careful with salt, all right? Then I added vinegar. I don't want it to be too thick, so I wanted a creamy mixture, all right? Go ahead and mix till everything is well combined. You should have this yummy, colorful cucumber salad. Set it aside. 40 minutes later, voila! The dough has doubled in size. I chop knuckle with the dough. I'm going to transfer back to the work surface. Knead for a few seconds, then go ahead and cut according to the pieces that you'll be working with, all right? Please check the description box for the list of the ingredients and the measurements. I will also drop the list at the comment section. Okay, now I cut into 6 pieces. I pick up one and set the rest aside. You don't really need a rolling pin, but you can also roll. I'll be making use of my fingers, all right? With the help of my fingers, I am going to spread the dough around as demonstrated, okay? Now, this is all you need to do. Like I said, you can also roll in a round shape. Moving with the colorful cucumber salad, go ahead and fold. Creative bangers, you need to do a very clean job towards this part, all right? If you are with me at this moment, type seal properly. Please, you need to seal the end properly, please. If you don't see the end properly, get ready because your oil is going to be messed up. Trust me, and you won't like it. You can see it was properly sealed, all right? Go ahead and repeat the same process with the other ones. Beautiful shout out to you, Light, watching from Atlanta, Georgia. Splendid Royal from Qatar. Natalia from Argentina. Priska watching from Cameroon, and NG all the way from Kaduna, Nigeria. Whoops. Oh, I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well, okay? All right, once you are done forming all the balls, okay, it is time to take it to another level. You need milk or water. You can either use milk or water. Pick up one of the ball. You are going to toss it around inside the milk, all right, or water, depending on the one that you are using. Go ahead and coat with your crumbs. Now, you can either use breadcrumbs, you can use cornflakes to make your crumbs, you can use biscuits to make your crumbs, all right? Any of these can serve as a crumbs, trust me. Okay, go ahead and coat the balls one after the other. Now, you can air fry, you can bake, or you can fry with an oil. I am going to fry with an oil. In a deep hot moderate oil, throw the boys one after the other. Now, you don't need high heat to fry these boys, all right? The same temperature required when making donuts is the same temperature that you are going to use to fry these boys. If you watch up on this minute, I appreciate you so much. It also means that enjoying this video. Please give this video a like. Also subscribe to my channel. Let's be family. Thank you so much. Now, after dropping the boys into the hot oil, allow to cook for about 2 minutes. Please don't use too much heat, all right? Go ahead and flip the other side to cook as well. Are we even cooking or frying? Which one are we doing? Fry according to your preference, or once they are golden brown like so, take the boys out of the hot oil and you just made yourself a delicious cucumber salad buns. Do we love this recipe? Do we? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. Can you hear that sound? Are you hearing that sound? I'm sure you are hearing that. Oh my word, this is so delicious. Crispy outside, moist inside. Now you can also add cheese into the filling if you wish, all right? I open it and this is what the inside it looks like. Super yummy. Just take a look at that. This is yummy. This is more than yummy. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.